Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can download the Google app on an iPhone. So, in order to install it, the first thing that you need to do is you need to open up App Store. You can see it's a default app right here in your iPhone. And once when you're here, what do you need to do? You need to click on this search bar right here. And here you need to write Google. So you can see when I write Google, there are a lot of other products of Google that I can also install, such as Google Photos, Google Maps, Gmail, Google Chrome. But if we need to install Google, we can just open this one up and click here on this cloud icon, and then it's going to start the downloading. So we can wait for the download to finish, and then we can see if Google is really installed on our iPhone or not. So let's just wait for that. So here you go, guys. It has been installed. We can click open and check out this amazing Google feature on our iPhone. So that was it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.